Good morning to all. Today we will start tangent and normal. Before tangent and normal, we take some portion of class 11 straight line. In class 11, you have read that if a straight line which equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, making an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction, then tan alpha is called slope of this line. Slope of this line. Okay, and if there is a point passing through x1 y1, then equation of this line tan alpha also called m. M is also called slope. So m is equal to tan alpha और is equal to slope of line. ये सब आपने पढ़ लिया 11th क्लास में. इसके अलावा अगर ये लाइन किसी पॉइंट x1 y1 से पास करती है तो इसकी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन having slope m and passing through x1 y1, then equation is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. आज हम इसी का यूज करेंगे इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन का. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 where slope is m and line is passing through x1 y1. If we have given 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 on this line, then we can find out slope by using these points. Then slope is equal to, if we have given 2 points, then slope is equal to y coordinate difference minus x coordinate difference y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so slope यानी slope either m is equal to tan alpha or y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope. Besides it, if two lines are parallel, then they will make same angle, so their slope will be same. So if two lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. This is the condition. ये भी आप पढ़ चुके हैं 11th क्लास में. Second, if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, or we can say m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2. This is the relation between the slopes if two lines are parallel or perpendicular. If there are two intersecting lines, then angle between them. Let we have two intersecting lines, so angle between them given theta. Theta is equal to tan theta is equal to, if slope of this line is m1 and slope of this line is m2, so m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 modulus. Acute angle theta is equal to modulus of tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is the straight line conditions which you have read in 11th class. Now, today we will study that what is the relation of the slope from the derivative of the differentiation. In 11th class, in differentiation chapter, you have read that geometrical representation of differentiation is what? Slope of a line at a point. So dy by dx, geometrical representation, geometrical interpretation of dy by dx or derivative Let we have given any curve y is equal to fx. Let y is equal to fx be any curve. So let us take any point A on this curve on x-axis. So there will be fa on y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let us take any point on A on x-axis. Because the curve is y is equal to fx type, so its y coordinate is fa. So coordinate of this point P are A and fa. Let from distance h here the coordinates are a plus h, coordinate are a plus h. This is the distance h, or now this is f a plus h. So these are the coordinate a plus h and f a plus h. This is let q. Let me join pq. So pq is a code. PQ is a code having coordinate p a f a and having coordinate q a plus h f a plus h. So स्लोप ऑफ पी क्यू 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म जैसा हमने भी पढ़ा, अगर 2 पॉइंट गिवन है कोड के तो स्लोप इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 और अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. तो स्लोप ऑफ पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू व्हाट एफ ए प्लस एच माइनस एफ ए अपॉन a plus h minus a, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to f a plus h minus f a upon a cancel upon h. A से a cancel h. Let we take this point q and this h very smaller so that p and q coincide. Approximately coincide. So h tends to 0. When h tends to 0, इस डिफरेंस को मैंने बहुत माइनर कर दिया तो क्या होगा, ये q पॉइंट बिल्कुल p को कोइंसाइड कर जाएगा और उस कंडीशन में जो ये लाइन pq है ये ओवरलैप करेगी टेंजेंट एट p को. जो लाइन है, क्योंकि p और q एक ही पॉइंट हुआ, इसका मतलब जो लाइन p से पास कर रही है वही q से एक ही पॉइंट को टच कर रही है और एक ही पॉइंट को टच करेगी तो टेंजेंट होगी. यानी उस कंडीशन में अगर ये h वेरी स्मॉल हो और ये pq कोइंसाइड कर जाए, q किसको टेंड्स कर जाए, pq, इंप्लाइड q टेंड्स टू p. तो इन दिस कंडीशन pq विल बी टेंजेंट. So PQ will be tangent. अब h tends to 0, f a plus h minus f a upon h is equal to slope of PQ implies slope of tangent, or slope of tangent implies tan theta. If tangent is making angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of PQ when P and Q coincide, approximately coincide, as it tends to 0, then PQ will be tangent. Slope of tangent tan theta, and tan theta is equal to h tends to 0 f a plus h minus f a upon h. But what is this? This is f dash x at point P. This is f dash x at point P. So f dash x is equal to tan theta or is equal to m. So derivative at any point with respect to x represents the slope of tangent at that point. Now in the straight line equation, if we change this m by f dash x, then we can use derivative to find the equation of tangent and normal using derivatives. So now we will use equation of line, and in equation of line m is equal to, we will put f dash x to find the equation of tangent or normal. So now because m is equal to now f dash x. So equation of tangent passing through x1 y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 or x minus x1. We have changed nothing. Equation is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, and we have proved that m is slope which is equal to f dash x at that point. So we will put m is equal to dy by dx at that particular point. This is the equation of the tangent of any curve at any point. Let this is the curve, this is the tangent, then equation of tangent is equal to dy by dx at this point x1 y1 and xy are arbitrary points. Again normal. What is normal? Normal implies perpendicular. Perpendicular at the point of contact. Let us take perpendicular at the point of contact. This is normal. So this is normal which is passing through x1 y1 and is perpendicular to tangent. This is normal. This is tangent. So this line AB and this line CD are perpendicular to each other. So let CD is perpendicular to AB. So CD is normal. So to find the equation of normal, we have required two things. First, slope of normal, or second, passing point. Passing point here is x1, y1. Slope, we have found the slope of m of tangent. So slope of normal, let it is m1 and let it is m2. So let slope of tangent is equal to m1. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, where m2 is equal to slope of normal. So m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon dy by dx, because slope of normal is what? Dy by dx. So equation of normal y minus y1, only change in slope, is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, or yx minus x1. This is the equation of the normal. Passing through x1 y1. Now let tangent is parallel to x-axis. Let tangent is parallel to x-axis. Let this is the tangent which is parallel to x-axis. So when tangent is पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस, उस कंडीशन में क्या हुआ, जो हमारे पास थीटा है पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन की एक्स एक्सिस के साथ, वो जीरो. थीटा इज इक्वल टू कितने डिग्री? 0. स्लोप इज व्हाट? dy by dx and also tan theta. Theta 0 implies tan 0. So dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the condition to be tangent to parallel to x-axis. So if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. And if dy by dx is equal to 0, then tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to y-axis, or perpendicular to x-axis, case second, if tangent is parallel to y-axis, then it will be perpendicular to x-axis. If it will be perpendicular to x-axis, then angle with the positive direction of x-axis is 90 degree. So in this case, slope m is equal to dy by dx is equal to tan pi by 2. M is equal to dy by dx. Tan pi by 2 is what? Infinity. Tan pi by 2 is infinity, or we can say 1 upon 0. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0, or dx by dy is equal to 0. This is the condition to be tangent to parallel to y-axis. Either dy by dx infinity or dx by dy is equal to 0. In this case, tangent will be parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis. So these are the different conditions to find tangent and normals for a curve. Now we will take some problems from the exercise 6.3. कोई confusion यहाँ तक किसी को? Exercise 6.3 question number 1. Find the slope of tangent to the curve. Question number 1. Curve is given y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x. And we have to find out slope of tangent at x is equal to 4. So, slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent dy by dx. So first we will find out dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 12x cube minus 4. 4 3 is 12x cube or minus 4x का differentiation 4. This is dy by dx at x is equal to 4. So dy by dx at x is equal to 4. Put the value of x as 4. 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 64 minus 4. 12 4 48. 12 6 72. 4 76 minus 4 implies 764. This is the slope of tangent at x is equal to 4. First find dy by dx, then put the given value in the question. Question number 2. Find the slope of tangent to the curve. Simple. Find the slope of tangent to the curve. Third, where x coordinate is 2 implies x is equal to 2. Simple अपने आप करेंगे. Question number 4. Find the slope of tangent whose x coordinate is 3. Yani you have to put x is equal to 3. Simple. Question number 5 देखिए, trigonometric है और parametric function है. Find the slope of the normal पूछा है, tangent नहीं इस बार, slope of normal. आसान है कि स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल के लिए भी पहले हम स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट फाइंड आउट करें और फिर m1 m2 इज इक्वल टू -1, क्योंकि वी हैव ए हैबिट टू डिफरेंशिएट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. टू फाइंड dy by dx इज मोर इजी देन टू फाइंड dx by dy. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 गिवन x इज इक्वल टू a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. Though we have asked the slope of normal, yet first we will find the slope of tangent and then put m1 m2 is equal to -1. We have to find out dy by dx, but these are the parametric function is theta, so first we will differentiate with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to a constant cos cube 3 cos square and cos theta implies minus sin theta. क्लियर? देखिए कैसे किया, चेन रूल. cos क्यूब है, x इज इक्वल टू a cos क्यूब थीटा, तो dx अपॉन डी थीटा a कांस्टेंट, d बाई डी थीटा cos क्यूब थीटा. तो a पहले पावर यानी 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा और d बाई डी थीटा बेस cos थीटा. चेन रूल, पहले पावर की वजह से 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा फिर बेस cos थीटा, तो a into 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा and differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. Either you can do directly or you will solve by using chain rule incomplete if you have any problem in doing directly. So dx is equal to this. Now dy by d theta, dy by d theta. Same here, a as it is sin cube. Sin cube implies 3 sin square theta and base sin theta. Sin theta differentiation cos theta. Now we have to find out dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. As we do in parametric function, so dy by d theta implies a 3 sin square theta cos theta upon dx upon d theta a 3 cos square theta into minus sin theta. a कैंसिल, 3 कैंसिल, स्क्वायर से साइन कैंसिल, स्क्वायर से कॉस कैंसिल, implies minus sin theta upon cos theta implies minus tan theta. This is dy by dx. We have given theta is equal to pi by 4. So dy by dx at pi by 4 is equal to minus tan pi by 4 implies minus 1. But this is the slope of tangent. We have to find out slope of normal. So slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is what? Dy by dx or is equal to minus 1 is equal to, let's say, m1. Slope of normal, let's say m2. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. By the property, two lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. What is m1? Minus 1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to 1. So slope of normal is equal to 1. This is the complete solution. Now, question number 6. Bilkul same question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. Find the point. Question number 7 देखिए. At which the tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. What is the condition? To be a tangent to parallel to x-axis, that its slope is 0. यानी dy by dx is equal to 0. हमने भी स्टार्टिंग में कंडीशन प्रूव की थी कि if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. So first we will find out dy by dx and then we put it is equal to 0. Given curve is, question number 7, y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. Find points. Coordinate पूछे हैं तो first dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Simple polynomial function. X cube and x to the power n minus 1, 3x square, x square, 2x, 2 into 3, 6x, 9x, 9 and 7 being a constant, its differentiation is 0. Now, because tangent is parallel to x-axis, tangent is parallel to x-axis, so dy by dx is equal to 0. So putting dy by dx is equal to 0, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. 3 common, x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So factorize x minus 3, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1. We have 2 points. Now we have to find coordinates. This is one point only, x. Putting the value of x, we will find y and that will be the points. Because x has 2 values, so regarding y has also 2 values. When x is equal to 3, so implies y is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. Cancel, 3 cube बन गया पूरा. तो minus 27 plus 7 implies minus 20. Or if x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 minus 1 square minus 9 minus 1 and plus 7. Now what will happen? Minus 1 square plus 1 implies minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 16 implies 12. So points are if x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 20, so 3 minus 20, or if x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 12, so or minus 1 and 12. These are 2 points where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Where tangent is parallel to x-axis. This is question number 7. Question number 8. Find a point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. अगेन इस बार टेंजेंट पैरेलल है कोड के, तो हम कोड का स्लोप निकाल लेंगे, टेंजेंट का स्लोप, और क्योंकि दो पैरेलल लाइन का स्लोप इक्वल है तो दोनों के स्लोप को इक्वल पुट करेंगे, वहां से कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Curve is y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So first we will find dy by dx. What is dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. X to the power n and x to the power n minus 1, and differentiation of base is 1. Also slope of chord is equal to y2 minus y1 और अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म से स्लोप गिवन है 4 माइनस 0 अपॉन 4 माइनस 2 implies 4 upon 2 or implies 2. This is the slope of tangent, this is the slope of chord, and tangent is parallel to chord. Tangent is parallel to chord. Given tangent is parallel to chord, so slope of tangent is equal to slope of chord, because slope of two parallel lines are always equal. Then slope of chord 2x minus 2, slope of tangent or slope of chord is equal to 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. What we have asked? Find a point. So we have to find out point. We have find x. Now put the value of x here and we will find out y. Putting in first. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 square implies 1. So point is 3 and 1. This is the point where tangent is parallel to chord. Same. Question number 9. Find a point on the curve at which the tangent is given. Tangent given है और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है पॉइंट. सेम प्रोसीजर अगेन. टेंजेंट से हम स्लोप फाइंड आउट करेंगे, फिर कर्व से स्लोप फाइंड आउट करेंगे, और क्योंकि टेंजेंट का ही स्लोप गिवन है तो दोनों स्लोप को इक्वल पुट करते हुए पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. गिवन y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. What is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 11, and equation of tangent is given. Equation of tangent y is equal to x minus 11, comparing with point slope form. Y is equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is equal to 1. देखिए हमारे किस फॉर्म में स्ट्रेट लाइन y is equal to mx plus c, तो कंपेयरिंग m is equal to 1, so slope of line is equal to 1. This is slope of tangent, this is slope of tangent, so both will be equal. So dy by dx is equal to 1 implies 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. So 3x square is equal to 12, x square is equal to 4 और x is equal to plus minus 2. तो x की दो वैल्यूज +2 और -2. We have to find out points. First we will put +2 and then -2. So putting x is equal to +2, y is equal to 2 cube माइनस 11 इंटू 2 प्लस 5, यानी 8 माइनस 22 प्लस 5, 13 minus 22 minus 9. If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5, यानी minus 8 plus 22 plus 5, यानी 27 minus 8 implies 19. So we have 2 points. What are the coordinate of the point? When x is equal to plus 2, y is equal to minus 9, and when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 19. So at these 2 points, this will be the equation of the tangent. Further, one more thing. Equation of tangent is given y is equal to x minus 11. We have 2 coordinates. We will verify whether tangent can be at this point or not. At 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 implies y is equal to 2 minus 11 implies minus 9. So verified. देखिए पॉइंट जो है हमारे पास 2 आए, 2 माइनस 9 माइनस 2 19, लेकिन टेंजेंट की इक्वेशन, क्योंकि टेंजेंट इस कर्व पर है तो ये x और y की वैल्यू कर्व को भी सेटिस्फाई करनी चाहिए और टेंजेंट को भी। कर्व को तो सेटिस्फाई करेगी क्योंकि हमने फाइंड आउट कर्व से की है। अब हम ये वेरीफाई करेंगे कि ये टेंजेंट को भी सेटिस्फाई करे। तो जो पहला पॉइंट है वो टेंजेंट को सेटिस्फाई करता है, लेकिन जो सेकंड पॉइंट है एट माइनस 2 19 y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 माइनस 11 माइनस 13, बट y इज इक्वल टू क्या गिवन है 19, नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 13. So this is important. So this point cannot be valid because point minus 219 does not satisfy the equation of tangent. So only point, one point only satisfy 2 minus 9. So point will be only 2 minus 9. Okay. Next question number 10. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 and that are tangent to the curve. अब के बारे में इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करनी है उन सभी लाइंस की जिनका स्लोप -1 है और वो टेंजेंट भी है। देखिए अब तक हमने सिर्फ स्लोप फाइंड आउट किया है, अब इक्वेशंस फाइंड आउट करनी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, गिवन कर्व y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 and tangent to the curve is slope is -1. Given slope is equal to -1. Now we will find out first slope by dy by dx. So dy by dx 1 upon x implies -1 upon x square. This dy by dx slope and slope is equal to -1. So -1 upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to -1. Cancel minus implies x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. X minus 1 is equal to plus minus 1 और x is equal to plus minus 1 plus 1. स्क्वायर रूट बनाएगा और स्क्वायर रूट में दोनों साइन प्लस और माइनस। तो इफ पॉजिटिव then x is equal to plus 1 implies 2. If negative then x is equal to -1 plus 1 implies 0. Two values of x. For these two values of x we will find out corresponding values of y. So if x is equal to 2 then y is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 implies 1. If x is equal to 0 then y is equal to 1 upon 0 minus 1 implies minus 1. So we have 2 points. 2 points. Which points? First 2, 1 and second 0 minus 1. Second 0 minus 1. At both the points, we will find out the equation of tangent. Slope given, passing point given. Only we have to find out equation. So equation y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y minus y1 1, m minus 1, x minus x1 2. तो y minus 1 is equal to minus x और plus 2 यानी x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. First equation. Again taking second point. Taking second point, so y minus y1 implies 1 is equal to m implies minus 1 और x minus x1 implies 0. यानी x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Because in question asked that find the equation of all points. Find the equation of all lines. So you have to find out both the lines. So you have to find out both the lines. Question number 11. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and tangent to the curve. Same question. Question number 12. Find the equation of all lines and having slope this. Again बिल्कुल same question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Find the points on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Sorry, 13. Question number 13. Find the point on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. We have to find out points where tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. So first we will find out dy by dx. Parametric function, sorry, implicit function. So differentiate directly with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here 2x upon 9. Here 2y upon 16 and dy by dx or is equal to 0. X square का differentiation 2x upon 9. Y square का 2y and dy by dx because we are differentiating with respect to x. And 1 being a constant, differentiation is 0. So 2y upon 16 dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 9 and dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 9 into 16 upon 2y. Cancel. Yani minus 16 upon 9 x upon y. This is dy by dx. Now tangent is parallel to x-axis first case. Tangent is parallel to x-axis, so dy by dx is equal to 0 implies minus 16 upon 9 x upon y is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. सब उधर जाके 0, so x is equal to 0. We have to find out coordinate. So putting x is equal to 0 in the equation. Putting x is equal to 0. What we get? Y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 16 and y is equal to plus minus 4. X is 0. Y is plus minus 4. So points at which tangent is parallel to x-axis tangent is parallel to x-axis, either 0, 4 or 0, -4. Either 0, 4 or 0, -4. Again, when tangent is parallel to y-axis. If tangent is parallel to y-axis, second case, tangent is parallel to y-axis. If tangent is parallel to y-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0, or we can say infinity, because at that condition line will be perpendicular to x-axis. Parallel to y-axis implies perpendicular to y-axis, so slope m is equal to tan 90, or implies infinity, or we can say 1 upon 0. And in that condition dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0. dy by dx what? Minus 16 upon 9 x upon y is equal to 1 upon 0, or implies y is equal to 0 in this case. Putting y is equal to 0 in given equation, putting y is equal to 0, what we get? X square upon 9 plus 0 is equal to 1, implies x square is equal to 9, or x is equal to plus minus 3. So coordinate. So coordinate at which tangent is parallel to y-axis is equal to either 30 or -30. You have to find out all the coordinates. 2 in case of parallel to x-axis and 2 in case of parallel to y-axis. This is question number 11. Now, note question number 11. This is question number 13. Case second again. Question number 13. Question number 14. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curve at the indicated point. Simple question. First you will find dy by dx and then you will find equation of tangent and normal both. चलिए एक पार्ट कर देते हैं. सेकंड देख लीजिए. पार्ट नंबर सेकंड. Question number 14, part 2, given curve is y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, and point is given 1, 3. So first we will find out slope. Slope by dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x और minus 10. x4 4x cube. x cube का 3x square और 3 6 या 18. Same x square 2x और 2 13 26x 10x का 10 और 5 का 0. Point is given 1 3. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So putting x is equal to 1 or dy by dx at 1 3 is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 18 1 square plus 26 1 minus 10. यानी 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. 30 minus 28 implies 2. So what is dy by dx? 2. dy by dx is what? Slope. Slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1. Y1 is what? 3. Slope 2. X minus x1. What is x? X minus x1. So y minus y1, y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2 or 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Now we have to find the equation of the normal. So first we will find out slope of normal. Slope of tangent is 2. So slope of normal is minus 1 upon 2 by the condition of m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Now we will write directly. If slope is 2, then slope of normal minus 1, then m2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 what? 3. Slope 1 upon 2. X minus x1. यानी 2y minus 6 minus x plus 1 or x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. In the same way, you will solve all other questions, all other parts of 14th. Question number 15. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line. Given a tangent, वही दोनों का स्लोप निकाल के इक्वल पुट करेंगे. सिंपल क्वेश्चन एकदम, सारे क्वेश्चन एक ही फॉर्मूले बेस्ड है, इसलिए टेंजेंट नॉर्मल इजी होता है इन द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एग्जाम. गिवन अ कर्व y इज इक्वल टू, क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस इज 15. Given y is equal to x square minus 2x or plus 7. So first we will find out slope. Slope implies dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 2x minus 2. Now first case, parallel to the line. Parallel to line. Which line? 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, or we can say y is equal to 2x plus 9. Transposing 9, comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. Comparing with, so slope is equal to what? 2. m is equal to 2. इस लाइन का स्लोप 2 है, इसका स्लोप टेंजेंट का स्लोप 2x माइनस 2 है, लेकिन दोनों पैरेलल हैं. अगर दोनों पैरेलल हैं तो दोनों के स्लोप इक्वल. So because tangent is parallel to line, tangent is parallel to line, so m1 is equal to m2, implies 2x minus 2 is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. What we have to find? Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve which is parallel to the line. Okay. So this is x is equal to 2. Now we will find out point, intersecting point. So putting this x is equal to 2 in first. Putting x is equal to 2 in first. We have slope. We have given slope. We have to find out equation. So we have required one passing point. So to find out passing point, first we will find out value of x, and then putting in this x, we will find out value of y. So x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. 4 minus 4 plus 7 implies cancel. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 7. So point. What is point? Point is x2 and y 7. Point 27. Slope 2. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to m implies 2 or x minus x1. यानी y minus 7, 2x minus 4 or 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent which is parallel to the line this. Again, perpendicular to the line this. So now we will change the slope. Perpendicular to the line this, slope of curve as it is, slope of curve as it is. B part, perpendicular to line. Perpendicular to line. Which line? 5y minus 15x. 5y minus 15x or is equal to 30. So we can say 5y is equal to 15x plus 13 or y is equal to 3x plus 13 upon 5. So slope of line is equal to 3. Slope of curve is equal to 2x minus 2 and slope of line is equal to 3. These are perpendicular because perpendicular to 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. What is m1? 2x minus 2. What is m2? 3 or is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. So now 6x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. 6x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 upon 6. What is first point? X is equal to 5 by 6. Putting in curve. Putting in first. So y is equal to 5 by 6 square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. 25 upon 36 minus 10 upon 6 plus 7. LCM 36, 25 minus 60 plus 7 6 42 or 7 3 21, 25. What we get? 277 minus 60 upon 36 implies 207 upon 36. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate and slope. What is the slope? What is the slope of line? Slope of line परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का 3 है तो जो टेंजेंट होगा उसका स्लोप ये भी निकालना पड़ेगा अभी दोबारा. देखिए स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन इज इक्वल टू 3. सो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. Slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Again same condition, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. जो लाइन हमारे पास टेंजेंट अब है परपेंडिकुलर उस लाइन के, उसका स्लोप ये है. उसके पासिंग पॉइंट, जो पासिंग पॉइंट्स हैं, व्हाट आर पासिंग पॉइंट्स? 5 by 6 एंड 217 by 36. तो सो इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. Equation of tangent y minus y1. y1 implies 217 upon 36. Slope minus 1 upon 3. x minus x1 यानी 5 upon 6. Solution तो 36y minus 217 upon 36. Here minus x plus 5 और upon 18. 2 जा 36 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 36y minus 217 minus 2x plus 10 or we can say 2x here. 36y 2x minus plus 36y 217 negative or 10 negative minus 227 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent which is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. In the same way you will try in all other questions. So all the remaining questions will be in the next lecture. Till then, bye and thank you.